Welcome to the release of the third version of the AI4Agile online course. My name is Stefan. I'm the creator of this course. And in 5 minutes, I will walk you through why this course is an excellent opportunity to improve your skill set as an not just Agile practitioner, but as a knowledge worker in general. So a lot of people like statistics, so let me share something with you. You're not starting alone. You're basically joined more than 600 people who already signed up for the course, plus 120 other people who joined the companion bootcamp cohort at the same time. The course is covering the topics in 12 modules and 4 parts. We have almost 100 lessons, tasks and quizzes. It's more than 16 hours of videos by now. And I deliver more than 250 downloadable resources. And best of all, this is not just a very affordable course at $149. It also comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. And did I mention the AI4Agile Foundation Certificate? 40 questions in 45 minutes, and to help you understand where you are. So there are a lot of testimonials by now. I share them with the on the sales page of the online course. So this is just a fraction of those that are available. If you need more, let me know, and I'm happy to send you more of these links. So what all people say, it's a great way of improving your skills as an Agile practitioner. And it's clear, practical, it's impactful. It may even change your perspective on Agile in the future. And by all means, it has the greatest price-value balance you will find anywhere in the market. So what is this all about? My idea of this course is that you are born change agents, and I want you to become your organization's AI change agent as well. So the course is addressing, of course, mastering classic work that you may face as an Agile practitioner anyway, utilizing AI for that purpose. So events, backlog work, team data analysis. So this is the common stuff, right? But more, and I find this the more interesting component, the course is now helping you to build systems your colleagues can adopt. Particularly the AI delegation system with audit trails and routing decisions and working agreements. And then on top, we started building a second brain. This is really, really helpful stuff for any form of career that you're pursuing as a knowledge worker. So my pitch to you is lead the transition where the work happens. Bring the operating model to the daily operational issues. Think about adoption patterns, risk and ethics, and package everything in a way that the leadership actually will be interested in following you, and because you present it in a way that they understand. Right? So outcomes that you can use in the same week after signing up. Well, of course, there's the basic like running Scrum events with AI, on the prep work, sprint planning, refinement, you name it. A lot of opportunities and exercises in the course. You will get data, fictitious data of teams that you can analyze and etc. pp. So that's very, very common here. Next, the idea that you can delegate to AI with an audit trail. So there will be an introduction to the AI delegation system, which comprises, for example, an AI definition of done. What does good look like in this context? There will be a delegation audit. If that sounds like a retrospective, you're absolutely clear about this. And moreover, I also started investing in creating a second brain to help you keep the context when you are switching teams or jobs. So by all means, every module ends with something that you can run in the next sprint. There's an immediately you will have a practical way of applying all of this. So what are we talking about? So the narrative act that we are following is MegaBrain IO. There are two acts. So first is crisis mode. They desperately need to deliver important new release to create a new funding or get a new funding round. And in Act 2, you're basically now the one who is supposed to help MegaBrain and the teams to clean up the mess they managed to create while meeting the deadline and turn everything they do into a sustainable AI operating model. We have a lot of real artifacts, team data, board reports, audit records, and all the things. The spine of the whole course is the A3 framework. So understanding, okay, where may AI assist you? Where may AI automate work that you do? And what never should be added to or handed over to AI, what needs to be avoided at all costs. So it's one single framework that actually covers the whole spectrum of AI decisions. And I think that is the great idea behind it. And you get all the deliverables. You can immediately start working with that. And of course, as an Agile practitioner, you will immediately understand what these components are, where they are useful, and how you can get to them. Being skilled in facilitation, all the stuff. The course is principally addressing all frontier models, so Claude Chat, GPT, Gemini. Every core concept is really model agnostic. Most lessons work on free tiers, absolutely no coding required. Of course, there's a lesson on Claude skills and Claude cowork. You will need to spend $20 for a month on the pro tier if you really want to do this. So what is new in version 3? I'm very excited about 2 additions. So one is the complete A3 delegation system I already mentioned. So with lifecycle, routing policy, token economics, reversibility lines, AI definition of done, delegation audit, your team's AI working agreement. And rest assured, none of this requires Scrum by all means. So 50 lessons, a lot of videos, downloads, you name it. It's exciting. And the feedback, I've been testing the whole thing with the bootcamp, and the feedback is very positive. So people are using this in their organizations, and you can do too. And the second big part that was added is your AI second brain, part 1. So we talk about capturing documents, adding provenance to claims, and ensure that retrieval of information can be accomplished across your collection. And so it's really a start into the right direction, and I will continue that with version 4. That's probably available end of October, early November. So your investment in the launch window until July 27th, it's $149. The list price is $249 after the launch window. And as I mentioned, it's all included. For a few elements, you will need a Claude Pro subscription, but otherwise the free tiers will be fine to do the exercises. Although I have to say, investing $20 a month on a Pro tier is certainly one of the best investments you can make. And doesn't matter if it's ChatGPT or Claude. The experience will be significantly better, so you should think about that anyway if you have yet done so. And of course, the AI delegation system runs on every platform, right? So that's what I wanted to share with you, and I hope you will entertain the idea to enroll and start today, and maybe start with the 10 quick hacks because you can take away a lot from these little hacks and start have immediate positive experience with the course. If you have any questions, let me know. By the way, if you don't know, you can Google me. It's not a problem. See you in the course.